Hello, and welcome back to the Herbalist channel. Today, we're diving into the world of warmth and spice with a drink that's perfect for cold weather. Have you heard of Glögg? If you haven't, you're in for a treat because this drink is like a hug in a mug. Traditionally, Glögg is a Scandinavian mulled wine, served hot and full of festive spices. But don't worry if you're avoiding alcohol, because today we're making a non-alcoholic version of Glögg. This way, everyone can enjoy it, from kids to adults, and even those who just prefer a lighter option. Plus, it still captures the essence of warmth, comfort, and community that Glögg is all about. Let's get started by understanding a bit about what makes Glögg so special. Glögg has a rich history in Scandinavian countries. It's a holiday tradition, shared among friends and family, especially around Christmas. People gather, talk, and sip Glögg to keep warm during the cold winter months. The warmth from the spices and the rich flavor from fruits and berries make Glögg much more than just a drink. It's a way to bring people together. So, what are the benefits of Glögg? The first and most obvious benefit is warmth. When it's cold outside, a hot drink like Glögg is perfect for raising your body temperature. But there's more to it than just warmth. Let's look at the spices we use in Glögg. Spices like cinnamon, cloves, and ginger aren't just flavorful, they're also beneficial to our health. Cinnamon, for instance, is packed with antioxidants. It's known for its anti-inflammatory properties and its ability to help regulate blood sugar. So, sipping on cinnamon-spiced Glögg could actually do some good for your body. Cloves are another powerful spice in Glögg. They're known for their antibacterial properties and are great for digestive health. Cloves can even help with headaches and reduce inflammation in the body. Then we have ginger. Ginger is warming and soothing, especially for the stomach. It's known to ease nausea and improve digestion, making it a perfect addition to this drink. And let's not forget cardamom, a spice often found in Glögg. Cardamom adds a unique, slightly sweet flavor and is known for its calming effects. It's great for easing tension and lifting the mood. Altogether, these spices create a drink that's not only delicious, but also supportive of health. But Glögg's benefits don't end with the spices. The base we use for non-alcoholic Glögg is usually a mix of fruit juices. This adds vitamins and antioxidants, which can boost your immune system and give you more energy. Fruit juices like grape, apple, and cranberry make a wonderful base for non-alcoholic Glögg. They're full of flavor, naturally sweet, and packed with nutrients. Another benefit is that making Glögg fills your home with a wonderful aroma. The scent of simmering spices and fruits is comforting and can even help reduce stress. So now that we know the benefits, let's dive into the recipe. I'll walk you through how to make your own non-alcoholic Glögg at home. Here's what you'll need. 4 cups of grape juice, this will be our base. 2 cups of apple juice. 1 cup of cranberry juice, for a little tartness. 1 orange sliced into rounds. 1 cinnamon stick. 4 to 5 whole cloves. 2 cardamom pods. 1 small piece of fresh ginger sliced. 1 star anise, optional but adds great flavor. 2 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup. Adjust to your preferred sweetness. A handful of raisins. Some almonds now. Let's move on to the fun part. Putting it all together. Step 1. In a large pot, combine the grape juice, apple juice, and cranberry juice. This combination will be our flavorful, non-alcoholic base for the Glögg. Step 2. Add the spices. Toss in the cinnamon stick, cloves, cardamom pods, ginger slices, and star anise. Step 3. Slice the orange into thin rounds and add them to the pot. The orange will release its citrusy oils, balancing the sweetness of the juices and enhancing the aroma. Step 4. Add the honey or maple syrup. This adds a natural sweetness, but feel free to adjust the amount to suit your taste. Traditional Glögg is on the sweeter side, so you might want to add a little extra if you like. Step 5. Add the raisins and almonds. These are classic additions that give Glögg a fun, unique texture. The raisins soak up the flavors of the Glögg, and the almonds add a little crunch. Step 6. Set the pot on low heat. Let it simmer gently, but don't let it boil. We want the spices to infuse into the juice without overheating. As it simmers, the flavors of the spices, fruit, and juice blend together beautifully. After about 20 to 30 minutes, your Glögg will be ready to serve. The scent that fills your kitchen will be incredible, like a mix of holiday and warmth in the air. Once your Glögg is ready, ladle it into mugs, making sure each mug gets a few raisins and almonds. For a little festive touch, you can garnish with a cinnamon stick or a slice of orange. And there you have it, homemade, non-alcoholic Glögg. Now let's talk about how to enjoy this delicious drink. The beauty of Glögg is that it's versatile. You can serve it at holiday gatherings, family dinners, or just on a cozy night at home. Non-alcoholic Glögg is perfect for kids and anyone who prefers not to drink alcohol. It's a great way to include everyone in the festivities. As you sip, take a moment to appreciate the flavors and the warmth it brings. Each sip is like a burst of comfort, with the sweetness of fruit and the depth of spices. Glögg is more than just a drink. It's a reminder to slow down and enjoy the moment. It's a way to connect with others, relax, and savor the season. If you want to get creative, there are plenty of ways to make Glögg your own. Try experimenting with different juices, like pomegranate or cherry, for a twist on the traditional recipe. You can also adjust the spices to suit your taste. Love cinnamon? Add an extra stick. Prefer a stronger ginger flavor? Add a few more slices. The beauty of Glögg is that it's flexible. You can make it as sweet, spicy, or fruity as you like. One of the best things about making Glögg at home is that it's a fun, hands-on experience. It's something you can make with friends or family, and everyone can help add ingredients and stir the pot. As you make Glögg, you're creating more than just a drink. You're creating memories, warmth, and a sense of togetherness. So, whether you're hosting a holiday party, having a quiet night in, or just looking for a cozy treat, Glögg is the perfect choice. Thank you for joining me today on the Herbalist channel. I hope you give this non-alcoholic Glögg a try and experience the warmth and comfort it brings. If you try this recipe, let us know in the comments how it turned out. And if you have any special twists or family traditions, we'd love to hear about them. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cozy recipes and herbal tips. Stay warm, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy Glögg making, everyone!